Hello everyone, this is Liberia TV Network. Today I'm going to show you the progress this road has made so far. There will be a lot of shaking because of the potholes. The last 1 month ago, I showed you the progress of this road, and today I'm here again. As you can see there, that side is almost done. They will soon put the potage. Here we still have a lot of potholes. So when that side is done, then we will move to that side with all the vehicles and keke and everyone else will use this side. And then after we are done with this side with the people, and we all move around the whole road. So follow us as we go as I show you the progress this road has made. This is the RIA road, Liberia International Airport. So we are moving from Kingray. You can look around. This is Kingray. If you ever been to Liberia, I'm sure you know Kingray. So this is the Kingray community. So we are now to Kingray and moving towards the LWA. This is Kingray. Keep following us. Today the pothole is so bad. We have too much here where we are right now. But it's like the work a little bit on this road, on this side of the road today. Because the road is so bad. As you can see, you can't even feel the shaking that much as compared to the time we started the video. This is Carbon Mission Junction. Right here. The nursing school. This is the junction. Yeah, I'm moving my people. Keep following. This is where all the equipment are kept. Those that are fixing this road. As you can see, this is my office. Today there is little sun, so the dust will be too much. But I see it was ready. Feel that the dust is too much because the place is right there. But I still have to show you the progress we have made so far. There is too much dust. Too much dust. Just want to make. At least the right of the fuels. So we are getting there slowly. This road is long, my people. When you are reaching to Liberia from the airport, you think you are going to a well-developed country. That's how you will feel because this road actually very beautiful. This road is very beautiful. Trust me. So this is the LWA market. Now we are here at the LWA market. And here is the hospital junction, LWA hospital junction. I mean, you're not going to see the hospital now. And this is hospital junction. If you ever heard about LWA hospital, this is the junction. Okay. So keep following. Now we are at LWA. Keep following. Keep following. As you can see, this road will be really huge. They are done. This road is so big. It's going to be 4 lanes. So no more traffic for those that live inside of ELWA rehab community, all the way to Boston, people living in Boston not experience traffic. We are now in ELWA. So we are moving. Keep following us. As you can see, the road is making progress. So you can on both sides. I will come back on this road to show you the progress. But for now, see where they are. Last month it was different. The road wasn't even like this. So as you can see, people are working. They are working so hard to get this road fixed. I'll be like, okay, so the shaking will be too much. The shaking will be too much for people. But this road is making progress. This road is making progress. You see, they are hiding with another crush rack before they put this water. But when they fix this road, they don't even want it to spoil so easily. They want you to enjoy it. So keep following. People are working so hard. So keep following, keep following. It's making progress. This is Minitama Junction. This is Minitama Junction. Use this side also to go to rehab community around the president house. So keep following me. Please bear with us for this working because the video is not too set as the road because it is shaking because of the road condition. There are a lot of potholes because of the heavy rain. So keep following us. We are almost reaching to rehab. So today we are talking from Kingray and taking you to rehab junction to show you the progress of this road. See, that side is so clean, there's no potholes. They are going to fix it. They are going to add another crush rack, another load of crush rack to that side that is clean and out potholes. On this side, I have the potholes. We are going to manage with it for now until the other side is done. So guys, we are almost to rehab junction. From Kingray to rehab junction. So right there is rehab junction, where all the motorcycles are parking, where you have all those motorbikes. That's rehab junction. That place in there, the road in there is going straight to the president's house. That road is going straight to the president's house. So thank you everyone for watching Liberia TV Network. Love you. Goodbye.